Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make one of my favorite dish. I learned it from my mom. It's super delicious and super simple. The sweet and sour pork ribs. And let's get started. Today's ingredients are very simple. The secret to this delicious sweet and sour sauce is actually this golden ratio. 2 versus 3 versus 4 and versus 5 for cooking wine, soy sauce, sugar, and vinegar. And once you know how to make this sauce, you will learn how to make any Asian style sweet and sour dish like teriyaki chicken. Alright, the first step is to assemble the sauce. We will add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 5 tablespoons of vinegar. Whisk everything together and set it aside. And that will be everything we need to start cooking. We will start by blanch the pork ribs. Place the ribs in a pot with cold water, add 2 pieces of ginger, and bring it to boil and continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we will transfer the ribs out and rinse the ribs under running warm water. Set it aside to drain. And next, we will grab a pan, turn on the stove, and add in cooking oil. And now we will add about 1 teaspoon of sugar and keep stirring until the sugar melts and also turn into a very dark brown color. And now we can throw in the ribs and stir fry for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will pour in our sweet and sour sauce and also add more water to cover the ribs. And then we can add in the green onion and ginger and cover the lid. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Stir a few times in the process. Okay, so now after 20 minutes, we will remove the ginger and green onion. And now it's time to turn up the fire and thicken the sauce. At the very last few minutes, make sure you don't walk away. Keep stirring and stop when the sauce is simmering in very large bubbles. Be very careful, do not get your ribs overcooked. There we have it. Now we can transfer the ribs into a plate along with the sauce, and the last step is to garnish chopped green onion and also some sesame seeds. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you gave this recipe a try. It's really my favorite dish I learned from my mom. I hope you will like it, and it's also super easy to make. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.